This is Cash's Toy Stash. This is another video with toys. We're trying some play-doh eggs with toys inside, some surprises. And there is Cash.
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man, sorry. Alright, he wants to try to open up the first play-doh egg, which is just a blob of all the colors mixed together, as you can see. But go ahead and open up the egg. I think it might be in the backpack here. Oh, just a potato head. Now open a potato head. What's in there? Whoa, let's see what it is.
Let's see open.
This is the Marvel Series 1 Collector's Keyrings.
Let's open it.
And it should have one of these characters in it. There's Rocket Raccoon, Star-Lord, Newt. I think that's Carter from
Spider-Man.
Marvel, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, Black Widow,
Spider-Man, that's me.
and Hawkeye. Oh, here they are on this side too.
Let's go
And it looks like
open
there's a couple surprise characters that you might
it.
have.
Can we open it? Can we open it, Dad?
Which is really nice.
Can we open it?
Yep. Go ahead and open it. Can you open it?
Nope.
Yeah, let's start it for you. Here, open it up and see what's in there.
We got, I don't know who
I think that's Black Widow.
Yeah, we got Black Widow. Thought it was gonna be Spider-Man.
Well, that's pretty cool. She's really cool. All the girls will like that.
Maybe D-Bug would like it.
That's Black Widow. Okay, we'll put her over here with Bullseye. And let's see, what else do we have to open?
I want to open that green one.
Okay, you want to try? Let me help you.
Okay.
Let's take his eyes off first.
Oh, I want to help.
Then you can open the green. I just didn't want you to mix up the colors. Not a very good job on the whole, by the way. Okay. That's another one, huh?
Yeah. I thought it was going to be Iron Man. I saw that red and saw it going to be Iron Man with Spider-Man.
Can you get it out of there? Let me help.
That is
I'll start
cool.
this one for you. Okay, now open that one up. Let's see who else we got. It's Agent Carter, isn't it? Is that who it is?
Yeah.
Nick Fury, not Carter. Okay, cool. Nick Fury. That's the Marvel guy.
Yeah, I put it a spider.
This is the guy that is the boss for Spider-Man and Thor, Captain America, and the Hulk,
Iron Man.
and Black Widow and Hawkeye.
This
Nice.
This.
All right, now open your other one.
This one.
Let's see what that one. That was just a simple one. Just a piece of candy.
That's it.
Krabby Patties.
On my bed.
And this is a little SpongeBob Krabby Patty.
What else did we open?
That's the end of the video. Say bye.
Bye.
Till next time.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.